Zain Mobile Operator Full Review. Features, Strengths, Weaknesses. Links to Zain's plans and services are in the description. Let's jump right into it. Zain is a leading mobile operator across several Middle Eastern and African countries, with a strong presence in Kuwait, Saudi Arabia, Bahrain and others. Known for its innovative services, Zain offers a range of prepaid, postpaid and data-only plans tailored for both personal and business use. Its 4G LTE network provides solid coverage, with the operator continuing to expand its 5G offerings in select regions. Zain is also known for offering additional services like digital content, mobile banking and enterprise solutions, making it a versatile choice for various user needs. Zain's key strengths lie in its reliable network and diverse plan options. The operator's 4G LTE network is fast and covers a large portion of its service areas, ensuring that users experience smooth browsing, streaming and gaming. In regions where 5G is available, Zain offers even faster speeds with lower latency, making it ideal for data-heavy users. Zain's customer service is also commendable, with accessible support through various channels, including online, mobile app and physical stores. For businesses, Zain offers a suite of tailored solutions, including IoT services, cloud solutions, and mobile payment options. The brand is also heavily invested in sustainability, promoting green initiatives within its operations. However, Zain does have a few weaknesses. The pricing of its plans is generally on the higher side compared to other local operators, especially in terms of data-heavy plans, which may make it less attractive for budget-conscious users. While Zain's 5G rollout is progressing, coverage is still limited to a few cities, meaning not all customers can access the latest technology yet. Additionally, international roaming fees can be costly, making Zain less ideal for frequent travelers unless they opt for specific packages. In conclusion, Zain is a solid choice for those seeking reliable coverage, fast speeds, and a range of additional services. However, if you're looking for more affordable plans or extensive 5G coverage, it's worth exploring other options. Check the links in the description for more details. If this review was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more expert insights.